Hello guys, welcome to this Superalgos tutorial series. Today is the first video of the governance tutorials. In this first edition, you are going to learn how to create your user profile in Superalgos. To do this, you will need to have your GitHub username at hand and your GitHub API token. If you don't know how to create it, please refer to the first video on how to install Superalgos. You have the link on the description below. You start the Superalgos client as usual and wait until the first workspace loads. You might come to a starting windows like this with the tutorial. In this case, you just stop the tutorial from running, stop. Then, as we want to create the user profile and that belongs to the governance workspace, the first step is to download this workspace and load the governance workspace. You can find it on your left. Is this tab where you have all these black square windows with black background. Those are the workspaces, the plugins workspaces that come delivered with the software. You can scroll up and down. When you find the token distribution Superalgos, you just click on it and you wait until all the elements of this new workspace begins to load until it's fully loaded. These nodes that are now appearing are the user profiles. And here we are with the welcoming screen of the token distribution Superalgos. From now on, we are going to call this workspace the governance workspace. You identify not only because of the name, token distribution Superalgos, but also because to the right you have a new tab, orange tab, that it only comes with the governance workspace. So now that we are here, we right click to see all the elements of the workspace. On top, we see the different parts of the project. Then let's call the high-level nodes. Then all in the middle are the user profiles nodes. You can identify some user profile because of the picture of their GitHub users. And then we have the pools and the teams. So to create the user profile, we need to locate the governance project. We open that node by double clicking on it. Once we found it, we open, and to the right there's the menu, and here this orange option which is called add profile constructor is what we are looking for. So we click on it, then we move a little bit away from the node to see the new profile constructor. We can just pin it using this arrow and move it to our convenience on the governance space. And there, now to build our profile, if we don't want to use a wallet that we have and we want the system to create a new wallet for us, the only thing we need to enter is the GitHub username in the configuration of the node that is here under configure. We click it. There's a configure text space that opens, GitHub username, and then we can just write our GitHub username inside. It's case sensitive, exactly like you have in your github.com dashboard. Then we close that by clicking on this tab. Now we have the GitHub username information, so we're ready to have our profile created. Let's go to the profile constructor, click on build profile and new wallet once, 2 times, and ready. Here you can see our brand new user. Before doing anything else, we need to preserve the keys, the private keys of the wallet, and for that we move from the user profile to the profile constructor. We open the configuration, and there we have the private key, everything. We copy as a text, we close it, we keep it in a safe place, and after that we can delete our new profile constructor, because it's the only place where the private key. So for safety, once you have safely back it up, we delete it. Once more, here we have our new user, and then in order to make the system aware that there's a new user, we need to upload it. For that, we right click. We have to enter our GitHub information in this node API. Click, open the node, expand the node with the plus. Here we have the GitHub API node. We go to configure, and there, username and token. So as we did before, here in username, we just type our GitHub username, here token. I already pasted, I copy it, now I paste it, close. Now that we have that information inside, we keep that information by saving the workspace with Ctrl Shift Alt S, and look at the blue bar on top, token distribution, Superalgos saved. We right click again, then we locate our freshly brand new user profile. We open the node and we save that profile here. Save plugin 1, 2, plugin save. Now that the workspace is saved, the plugin is saved, we can go to the documentation section. We just open with a click on the right tab here. The documentation section has a search bar that also serves as a command line. So in the command line we type app.contribute space, and we can add just a title like new user profile. We just press enter. We have the system message that a pull request is being created. That is the function that allows our user profile to be uploaded to the system. Now the contribution is done, and we have our user profile already created and submitted to Superalgos. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you find this video useful, and I would love to hear your comments and to see you around. Also, till next video. Thank you, bye bye.